Stop. You think survival is gear, you're already lost. Hi, I'm Ian. I'm from Wilderness Survival 101. Well, here's a rule book here for you. 7 rules that actually keep beginners alive. So, number 1, prioritize shelter and keep and sleep. The most important, prioritize those over hunting. You can't think straight if you're freezing and exhausted, okay? Number 2, food and water. Prioritize water over food. You've heard that you can go much longer without food and water. Always find and drink water first above food. Dehydration can ruin everything for you, much faster than hunger. Your body stores fat as well, that's for use in emergency. Rule number 3, make noise intentionally when you're out there in the wild, not by accident. If you want to be found, signal. Make sure you can be found. If you want to hide, you need to train your movements. Rule number 4, simple beats fancy. The 5-in-1 gadget that you get, what's in your backpack, most are useless. Most aren't very good at all, I found. Learn 3 tools work well. Simple, strong bladed knife that opens up works really good in most situations. Number 5, practice navigation by feel. Learn to listen to the sun, watch the sun, shadows, things like where moss grows on which side of the trees. Learn to do rough pace count as well, so you can see where you are against the map. Don't rely on batteries that you haven't tested. Rule number 6, fire is your multi-tool. It provides warmth, it can provide water, purified water if you boil water to get rid of all bacteria and viruses. It's the safest way of getting clean, clear, safe water to drink. It provides signalling and morale. It's amazing how warmth from a fire on a cold night can really boost your morale. If you can't make fire, practice till you can. There's lots of different ways of making fire. From those flints that you can buy, to fire starters, to even knowing how to use friction using different types of wood that you can gather when you're out in the wild as well. There's lots of videos on YouTube that show you how to make fire in various different ways. And lastly, rule number 7, stay small and reminded. Big plans fail when conditions change. Make immediate, correctable choices, then adapt. It's about putting one foot in front of the other, doing something, learning from it, and then correcting and making progress that way. That's like a lot of things in life as well. So most beginners learn these the hard way. You don't have to. So save this video, try one rule on your next hike, and let me know which one you tested in the comments below. Follow for weekly hard-won survival rules. Before you scroll, save this one. One of these rules might just save your life. That's all for now. Bye.